Hey friends, welcome to Learn Play Express. Today we are going to do a super cool experiment with color water. We will make water walk. For this experiment, we need 3 bowls. Fill the water in the first and third bowls. Leave the second bowl empty. Now let's add some color. I am adding red to this bowl and green here. Now take 2 paper towels. Fold them like this. Now put 1 paper towel from red bowl into the empty bowl. Same, fold another paper towel, put it from green bowl into the empty bowl. All done. Now it's time for the magic. Watch carefully. Look at that. The colored water is walking up the paper towels like a little ninja. See? It's walking. It's going into the empty bowl. This is called capillary action. Wow, the empty bowl is filling fast. And guess what? The red and green are mixing together to make a cool brown color. Isn't it awesome? You can make your own rainbow by adding more colors. Hit like if you loved this magic and follow me for more fun science adventures. Bye bye.